Here I have Infinix Smart 6 HD, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly, you have to turn off your Infinix, and after it turns off completely, what you'll have to do is to hold down a combination of keys, power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds, just like this. So you just hold it, and after the screen turns on and you can see Infinix logo appeared, you have to release power key and keep holding only volume up. Just like this. When you see this XOS logo and no command message, you have to hold down power key and press volume up once, and after that you will enter recovery mode. So here at the recovery mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, enter fast boot, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the first option, reboot system now, and your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.